Why the hell do you put the changeable filter inside the fucking tank? It's stupid. Hello, and welcome back to Car Crazy Norwegian. Today I thought I'll replace the fuel filter on my Rover 75. I have not done a fuel filter on one of these before. To get to it, you have to get the back seat out of the way and access the fuel pump, because it isn't in the engine bay or underneath the car like most of the cars I'm familiar with. You actually the filter is located in with the fuel pump housing. So now we'll just start removing the back seats. Maybe I'll start here. Yeah, that's how it is. Ooh. And grab here like that, and should be able to lift it up. I think I have done this before, so it shouldn't be that difficult. Oh, come on, please. Let me have a look. Yeah, of course, it's that spring. How did I do this again? Come on. I need both my hands for this. It's quite... it's a little bit fiddly, this. Okay, so now the seat is out of the way. It is very fiddly to record with a phone and unhook this from this metal tap down here, because it's sort of seats behind there. But now we can access the covers to get to the fuel pump assembly. And I just pry the carpet out of the way. It's quite a bit of dust here, because this carpet is water damaged. This is 10 millimeter. Now this fuel filter arrangement is for the cars produced after or from the year 2003. There is some difference to the older 75s, but I'm not familiar how or what kind of arrangement they have. But this will go from the 2003 onwards, 75 with petrol engine. Just arrange something to hold the carpet out of the way. Okay, so now I've shoved things a little bit out of the way, so I can pry this cover off. Hopefully. It's a little bit dusty down here. And there is a connector here, so I should be able to remove that somehow. What type of connector is this? How do you do this? Is there some sort of lift up locking pin or something. I have to do some research on that. Okay, so finally I got how you remove the connector. You just press on the sides here and pull backwards. And then you get the connector off. Just simply like that. Pull the outside backwards. Then we can get the cover out of the way. It's so joyous when you have 1,000 things in your way when you try to do something. I think I'll just leave that there and go grab the vacuum cleaner and get the worst debris out. We call that good. So now we'll try to knock this locking ring out. Okay, now it appears to be loose and it smells petrol. Oh, come on. Oh, there. There, the pump is loose. Just one more go with the vacuum cleaner, I think. Yeah. One more go. Well, now stay still, please. There we are. We wiggle this out without any catastrophes. Huh. Seems to be a loose pipe down here. I have to remove the cover on the other side first, of course. So, for the cover on the left side of the vehicle. So, I need to get my hammer to knock this ring loose. Okay, so now that locking ring is loose. It's just the same as on the other side. So now I have to just disconnect the fuel pipe here. Should be enough just to squeeze these tabs together. I think. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's coming out slowly. Or is it? Yes, seems like it. Oh, come on. I need something to help it on the way out. Okay, so now the fuel pipe is loose. So then we can remove this locking ring. This. And take this assembly out. Was that locked in place? I don't seem to remember. Maybe it is. Okay, so now it's loose. Just have to wiggle it a little bit. Come on. Okay. I'll just find something that I can put this assembly inside. Okay, so changing the fuel filter on this car is turning out to be the most hellish job I have tried to do on this car ever. It is the stupidest design in history of cars. Why the hell do you put a changeable filter inside the fucking tank? It's stupid. Why couldn't they put the fucking filter underneath the car where it's easy accessible? I guess it's a bad influence from BMW perhaps. But this has always made me hate the fucking car. It's just unnecessary, stupid. I cannot get the fucking cap off. It sits like hell. And when I've decided to give up, I cannot get the damn thing in place again because the fucking gasket cannot line up. Okay, so I've calmed down significantly now. It helps to just leave the scenery a little bit and sit down and have a little think over things, and then you calm down and suddenly you can reassemble it again. I had another go trying to remove the cover from the filter housing, but I wasn't successful because even though I've tried a tool to clamp down and twist the cover off the rest of the housing, it's just so stuck. I'm afraid I can actually damage the housing. So I just have to give up now and see what sort of possibilities I have. So if you have done this before, please help me. Leave a comment if you have a good tip for me how I can actually get this successfully done, because I'd like to have this filter changed. So yeah, I think we wrap this video up and call the whole project a fail. And now I have to just give up. I cannot stand anymore. Okay, bye.